All right, let's see what Kevin sent me. Well, I know what he sent me, but I just want to do an unboxing for y'all because he really worked with me on getting the parts that I requested, and they got here in a timely fashion, 3 days from Seattle, Washington to south of Houston in Victoria, Texas. So we're gonna have to make him an honorary Texan. I think that's what we should do because it was just excellent service with Kevin. All right, so that's open. And we're gonna put this one, and here we go. Wow, looks like a Tetris pack in here. Okay, I can see the fender airbox combination, but up here, I believe this is the shock. Nice, thanks, Kevin. All right, you can see the piece of shit that I had when I got this spree. Got me a nice belt, said it was hardly used, and I believe him, because here's the other one. I can tell there's already a difference in width. I'll have to mic it and find out what the difference is. Thank you, Kevin. Oil pump. Teeth look good. Mine is leaking, so I don't know why or where it's leaking from. I'll put this in an ultrasonic cleaner and just kind of go through it. Looks like a good O-ring as well. This looks good. All right, my Bendix. All right, yeah, these teeth look better than the one I have. So I'll clean this up as well. I can get that circlip out of there, pull it the rest of the way apart, clean it out. Well, you can't see it right now, but the kludge that I made from a GY6 to get it to start turning over the relay for the starter. So with a nice little boot on it. Excellent. What I had here was this. Somebody cut it so they could put a sock filter on it, and it didn't work out well because it wasn't even running when I got it. So they hacked the lid, they hacked the air box itself. So I'm just replacing it completely. But if anybody wants one that's upgrading theirs with a external filter, sock filter, I have this available because they still get in good condition. All right. One turn signal 86, second turn signal 86. Okay, I'm getting rid of this kludge of, I don't know what Honda was thinking about. I think it was an afterthought. They said, we got to get something because the United States will let us ship the 86s with these taillights, I guess. So it's an 87, but this looks way nicer. It's not even grayed out. So this will be clean as it comes off the side of the body panel down to here. So they cut it here, and I just don't like it. Anybody wants this? Let me know. So this, Kevin said, will bolt right onto here, and that'll look sweet. Might be a little bit of a cutaway for the 87 body panel instead of being straight, but I don't mind that. I'll figure something out. Thank you, Kevin. All right. That's pretty clean. Mine was all yellowed and I don't know, it looked like it was mud in there. Cap and the sensor, nice, very nice. Can't go wrong. Need parts for your spree, get a hold of Kevin. All right, so we talked about these. And the big item down here, oh, that's gonna look sweet. So that's what I want, just something with a little bit better cleaner appearance than this. And polish this up. Go in there. And with these that attach like that, that'll work. Sweet. All right. And the last thing was a couple of gaskets that I needed that he was able to get for me. The bowl gasket for the carb and an exhaust gasket for the exhaust pipe. And that's it, which is a lot. And he was able to get me pictures like he does for everybody, lets me know. And he even, when I requested like the other side of something or a different angle, he gladly did that for me. Considering the distance that we were and what I was asking for. He's a pro. So get a hold of Kevin at Spree Heaven. That's what I think it is. It's like, wow. Okay. You'll see it when it's all the parts are put on. Later.